At Oak Valley Health, we're committed to creating a cleaner, safer environment for our patients, staff, and visitors. As part of our ongoing effort to reduce our carbon footprint, we've taken a significant step forward in sustainability by integrating advanced robotic cleaning machines into our daily operations at our Markham Stouffville Hospital site. Throughout our journey to find the best solution for evolving our cleaning services, we explored many fantastic robotic options and met some exceptional candidates. We decided on Candroid Robotics as their equipment was not only technologically advanced, but also incredibly reliable. The capabilities of their machines were truly remarkable, and it became clear to us that they were the right partner for us. These state-of-the-art autonomous auto scrubbers aren't just supporting cleaning tasks, they're also helping us improve efficiencies and our conservation efforts. By utilizing this cutting-edge technology, we're able to save 80% of the fresh water typically required for traditional cleaning methods. Thanks to these automated cleaning robots, our staff now have more time to focus on other essential cleaning areas, such as high-touch surface disinfection in public corridors, as well as additional enhanced cleaning in our clinical patient care spaces. The efficiency and ease of use provided by these machines have significantly lightened their workload, allowing us to allocate resources where they're needed most. Beyond the technology, Candroid Robotics has been an outstanding partner. Their service and support have been nothing short of exceptional, helping us navigate this new era of automated cleaning with confidence and ease. At Oak Valley Health, we're proud to lead the way in sustainable, innovative healthcare solutions. With the help of Candroid Robotics, we're not only keeping our premises spotless, but also paving the way for a greener future.